This earning method is based on watching YouTube videos like this one you're watching now. To use this method of monetization, you don't need any additional skills. All you have to do is watch short 30-second videos. You don't have to open the video manually, nor do you need to have your own YouTube channel or copy any link from YouTube. This is an embed video, and it will be displayed immediately after you click the Start Watching Videos button. Your daily salary depends on the time you spend watching YouTube videos. Each video has an assigned number of amount you can earn for watching it. For this earning method, you can get between 10 to 100 earning points per video. Making money watching YouTube video is not the only way of making money on this website. We have tons and tons of many other ways to make money online, like selling your services and promoting your affiliate link. You can scroll down to the footer and click this flag to see more of our ways of making money online through this website. You can withdraw your funds anytime and get paid right away. When you achieve the minimum withdrawal limit, just send a payout request and your withdrawal will be processed and pay out immediately. There is nothing like end month payment policies here. You get your money right away anytime and any day. The website is Roladel.com, and Roladel uses the world's most trusted payment gateway, which is PayPal and bank transfer. That means your money is safe. Also, PayPal is an easy way to receive your money quickly and withdraw it, especially if you're not from Nigeria. You get paid real money, unlike other online money making websites that pay you in coupons and shopping vouchers and gifts. Roladel pays you in real cash. Real money goes directly to your account. Roladel processes all our payments in US dollars, and you can easily convert the dollars to your local currency. Without taking much of your time, let's go through the process on how to get started by watching YouTube videos and making money on this website. To start reaping the benefit of this, watching YouTube videos and earning money, you will have to first create an account on Roladel.com. Please note that this is the same as your Roladel account that you use for selling or buying services and software. So if you already have one, you can just skip this part and log into your account. Once you're on the home page like this, the sign-up process is fairly straightforward and consists of simple 2 steps. In the first step, simply click here and fill in your details and click next. At this point, all you have to do is to enter your first name and all the other information here. Don't forget to agree to the terms of privacy before you create an account button here. Once you finish the sign-up form, you will receive verification OTP to your email. Just enter the OTP and you'll be able to log in into your new account. The best part is that Roladel does not have an approval process, and you can start promoting the subscription plan and services right away. Once you're on your dashboard like this, click on this watch video and you will see a pop-up like this asking you to subscribe. This subscription will help you gain access to the video earning page and how you can be making more money online by watching those videos and utilizing your free time. On the other hand, it will entertain you. On the other hand, it will help you to make some side income. You can also earn 50% from this subscription by promoting your affiliate link as well. Each of your referral will get 50% commission for life, and every service they purchase will also get you 10% commission. So once you see this pop-up, click on this button and follow the instruction to subscribe and start making money. After clicking this watch videos button, you'll be able to watch a video. The video you have to watch will be displayed automatically for you and disappear after you finish it. Please note that in order to earn Roladel fund in this method, you must watch more videos. After the end of the seconds of watching the video is completed, and you can receive the amount of points specified in the description of the video. If you turn off the device you are currently using to watch videos, don't worry. You can return to the website and watch the video once again. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos like this. That's so much for watching, and bye for now.